Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have as our question. So we have to integrate a function, and the function looks like sec square of 7 minus 4x. So I think as soon as you saw the expression that is sec square, we can write it as t. As soon as you saw sec square t, we remember that the derivative of 10x is sec square x, or the perfect integral of sec square x exists, that is 10x. What I am saying can be written as derivative of 10x is equal to sec square x, and the inverse thing, that is integration of sec square x dx is equal to 10x plus c. So we can see that our problem does not it's not difficult. The only problem that lies is that here we have our argument of sec square as 7 minus 4x, but we need our argument as x only. Then only we can apply this formula. So what should we do? We can replace 7 minus 4x by t. So let us see the first step. Yeah, so we assume that our 7 minus 4x is equal to t. So differentiate both sides. Differentiating both sides, first we will see the LHS. Our LHS is 7 is constant, so it will be 0, then minus, and 4 multiplied by a variable. So the differentiation of x is dx, and on the right hand side we have dt. So our dx is equal to minus dt over 4. Now moving to the next step, they have shown how to differentiate it, and minus 4x is equal to dt. So now we replace 7 minus 4x by t as we assumed it, and dx by minus dt by minus 4. Sorry, dt by minus 4. So our simplified expression is somewhat like sec square t dt into some constant. So the integration of sec square t is 10t as I showed you here. So let us see the next step. So our integration is 10t plus c, and it was multiplied by a constant here, minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 also comes down here. So our final answer is minus 1 by 4 10t plus c. But before writing my 10t as our final answer, we need to remember that we substituted t by something, and we need to write our answer in the original variable form, that was x. We used x as a original variable. So replacing t by 7 minus 4x, we get our final answer as, let me show it on the screen. We get our final answer as minus 1 by 4 into 10 of 7 minus 4x plus c, where c is a constant value. So that is it. I hope you all got it, and have a nice day.